In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign people in monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To begin, log into your monday.com account. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the specific project board that contains the tasks you want to manage. This board is where all your team's work is organized, and finding the right one is essential for effective task assignment. Next, look for the People column or icon, which resembles a small outline of a person. This icon is crucial, as it's the main feature used for managing team assignments within your tasks. It provides a simple way to assign responsibilities to team members. Once you've located the People section for a specific task, click into it. This will open up a menu displaying all the members associated with that board. Take a moment to review the list. You'll want to choose the team members who have the relevant skills and availability to handle the task at hand. Now, let's open the task details. Click on the specific task, which you can think of as a digital sticky note. This will allow you to view the task's full description, deadlines, and current status. Having this information in front of you is vital for making the right assignment decisions. After you've opened the task details, you can move on to mentioning and notifying team members. In the Updates section of the task, use the @ symbol followed by the person's name. This feature is an excellent way to ensure that they receive a direct notification about their assignment. It makes the communication clear and helps streamline the workflow. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Click the Update button to record the assignment officially. This step is important because it informs all team members of their new responsibilities and ensures they are all on the same page. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently assign people to tasks in monday.com, enhancing collaboration and organization within your team. Remember, clear assignments lead to better productivity, and utilizing these features effectively will help you manage your projects more smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.